Hi everybody, welcome to an unboxing with me, Claire V, your Tarot Queen. I'm so excited. I have been for this for so long. Woo! Yeah, I've been waiting for this for like 2 weeks. We're just gonna cut it open if I can. I don't want to ruin my deck. Oh, here they go. Oh, Seasons of the Witch. Oh, and look. If you order from magic.com, it comes with a crystal. Oh, look at that. I'm not sure what crystal it is. It looks like some kind of jasper. Oh, it's so beautiful. Well, here we have our Season of the Witch. Beautiful, beautiful box. Very hard. It says, this season, get ready to ascend from darkness, reaching for your hopes and dreams as you step out of your winter and into the light. Imbolc is associated with patience, hope, transitions, and beginnings. The ascent back to the light after the darkness of the winter months. This is the perfect season to represent the self. Each of the cards in this oracle deck is a seed of spiritual guidance inspired by ancient Imbolc traditions, so you can find answers to your most profound questions. Along with thoughtful meanings are powerful word spells to invoke the energy of each card and send your intentions of spiritual well-being out into the universe. This includes a 44 cards and a guidebook. So yes, this includes 44 cards and a guidebook. Oh, wow. This is amazing, guys. Amazing. So it says download your free Rock Pool Oracle reading cards now. This comes with it. Oh, this guidebook. It's like a glossy finish. It's beautiful. The Seasons of the Witch Imbolc Oracle. Oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. So it goes through the tables of contents, the introduction, Imbolc themes and areas of focus, how to use the cards, Imbolc card spreads, and then it goes to the cards. We'll look at the cards in more detail. Oh, wow. There's 44 cards. There's themes and areas of focus, which are awakening, cleansing, healing, hope, illumination, innocence, inspiration, light, patience, sprouting, transition, well-being, and youth. How to use the cards. It says pulling cards. As you may wish to establish an oracle reading ritual, such as lighting your favorite candle or incense, playing music, or using particular space to do your readings. Otherwise, take a moment or two to center yourself by closing your eyes and taking a few deep breaths. When you feel calm, bring your mind to a question, then shuffle the cards and pull the card that feels right. You may experience a sensation as warmth or tingle when you reach the card that's meant for you. What I do is I shuffle them, and whatever one flies out is the one for me. So, they give us some kind of spreads. Interview your deck spread, getting to know the Seasons of the Witch. Maybe we'll do this on camera. This spread is always included in the decks, this deck series, because interviewing your deck is a must-do practice, and you should carry it out with every deck at least once. Getting to know your deck is crucial if you're serious about being an Oracle deck reader, because each deck has its own personality, even if you have 2 copies of the same deck. So the following reading sets the tone for the way your deck will communicate with you. So this spread is outlined below. Card number 1 is, what personality do you have? What strengths do you have? What's your weakness? How will you help me grow? When should I call on you for guidance? What is the best way to work with you? And what will our relationship be like? We will do this card reading at the end. I want to go through the cards and finish going through this book. So it gives a whole bunch of spreads, and then it goes through the cards. Each section of the cards gives keywords and a little thing. It says, go where your spirit dwells, where your sight is clear, and where your breath is liberated. That's for amethyst. And then it tells you like what you might be experiencing, and then gives you some kind of guidance. Each card has a little saying. So for Angelica, the card number 2, it says, the bells have rung, chiming far and near. Underneath feathered wings, my dear, you have nothing to fear. Wow, this is a beautiful, very organized book. It goes through all the cards, all 44 cards, and then that's it about the authors. The author is Lorraine Anderson. She's a multidisciplinary spiritual teacher, writer, and soul-based entrepreneur whose work focuses heavily on international and energetic living, as well as using spiritual practices as a pathway for profound healing, growth, and transformation. She is the co-creator of best-selling Seasons of the Witch Oracle deck series, along with several other titles in the spiritual space. If you're interested in learning to read tarot and oracle cards, scan the code at the end of this book, receiving an exclusive 20% off of her card divination masterclass. Wow, that's cool. So along with this, you get 20% off of her masterclasses. All right, so let's get into the juicy cards. Oh, look at that. Oh my word, they're like fluorescent blue, shining blue. Wow. Look at that. And each card is very, okay, they're stuck together. Look at the backs. These are beautiful cards. Beautiful, beautiful cards. Look at the back of these cards. Some of them are stuck together. Now, I know from before, if you have cards stuck together like this, it's best that if they're really stuck together. Now, these aren't really stuck together. But if yours are, it's best to put them under some kind of like steaming heat, like a boiling water or something, so you won't rip the cards. But these aren't so bad. Oh, these are gorgeous. These are the backs. We're going to flip through and go through each card one by one and do our little reading. Let me get them unstuck. I'll get the rest of them unstuck when we go through. Oh, wow. Look at that amethyst. Angelic antlers. So beautiful. I figured these would go really well with the transparent tarot. They seem a little bit smaller than them, but being that they're like black and white, I figured that they would go perfect. These cards are absolutely gorgeous. So detailed. Ground dog. Wake up, dear one, from the slumber you find comfort in. The truth is seeking those ready to acknowledge. It. Oh, look at that. It's amazing. The house mouse. These are very thick cards too. Star, peppermint, rosemary bread, sacred space, self-ceremony, serpent, slither through and out as you shed in preparation for new beginnings. Snowdrops, snowflakes, swan, winter divination. It's perfect for this winter weather too. Winter wonderlands. And then back to number 1. All right, you want to do our rating? All right. It said the spread. Look at these beautiful cards. We're going to do a little shuffle. Alright, so the first question is what personality you have, cards. What's your personality? Alright. Card number 2, what is your strength? Card number 3, what is your weakness? Card number 4, how will you help me grow? When should I call on you for guidance? And what is the best way to work for you? And what will our relationship be like? And one more. Alright, so here we go. Let's see if you can see all of these cards. Alright, I think you can see everything. Alright, so when it comes to what personality do we have the serpent. Slither through and out as you shed preparation for new beginnings. So the personality is serpent-like personality, wisdom. I see wisdom, guidance, helping with new beginnings. What is the card? Strength. And we have Black Bear. It says, your existence is the resistance. All you must do is accept the power awaiting your arrival. So basically, let's read the guidebook and see what it says for number 7, Black Bear. All right, it says, transcendence, the battle is easily won, personal power. So when it comes to what is your strength, it's personal power. It says bears are considered to being the top of the animal food chain, having no real threat from predators. Pulling the black bear card means you have done the work needed to find your authentic self. You have transcended to a higher level of consciousness. With the light comes shadow, and those who still dwell in the darkness will seek to take the light you're now embodying. This is not a bad card to receive, as it suggests you're operating from a healthy level of self. This is not a bad card to receive, as it suggests you're operating from a healthy level of self-awareness. Protect yourself from any threat, but remember to have compassion for those who have not yet battled their personal demons. Low vibration people are operating from a place of fear, and the lower the vibration, the bigger the effort will be to lower yours. However, for you, it's no real fight at all, and you're more than capable of handling anything that's coming your way, as long as you stand in your power. Authentic, mindful people stay at the top of the food chain. So that is its strength. So this is the top of the food chain. These cards are going to help us raise our vibration and deal with low vibrational people to help raise their awareness and their vibration as well. Now, card number 3, what is your weakness? Number 23, the greenhouse. It may be clear the intentions I sow in preparation for the path ahead. So, let's see how we can see this as a weakness. Sowing seeds, preparation, planning, setting things in motion, clear path. So the weakness might be there's setting things in motion and having a clear path. Greenhouse is one of the most positive cards in the deck, and pulling it means that you're welcome a joyous new start. Unlike with other cards in the deck, this fresh beginning is something you've chosen for yourself and you're excited about. So I'm so excited for these cards. Potential to create something momentous. However, this card also warns you not to expect miracles. There will still be a lot of hard work, dedication, and even some failures along the way, but overall results are likely to be very successful. So there we go. If you're feeling stagnant or in a challenging situation, this card encourages you to begin planting the seeds in preparation for new ideas, for opportunities to drop in your lap. Dress for the job you wish to have. Start researching things you do if you had the money or time to get together a plan of action or a goal. So there we have it. It seems like we are going to have an awesome time with these cards. They're beautiful. I'm glad you guys can join me for the unboxing. And I can't wait to do some more ratings. Stay tuned. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Much love.